So hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I planned to try and create a cookie clicker. So I'm just gonna make up a new project here. Do I want to? I'll probably do a two-dimensional 3D. Wait, what? But that's okay. I'll just call it cookie clicker. Hit create. That's gonna do some processes of loading, but while we're waiting for that, I want to show you guys. So you'll see this document is called video description. Anything you see here will be down below in the video description. But if you guys should go check out my merch stores, follow me on Instagram, and even consider checking out my website. Which, what the pff? Okay, well then I'm gonna get rid of that, and we're not gonna have that. But wait a minute, the sims.dx.am. Copy this, edit this, and paste this here. So if I hit this link, good, it works. So yeah, check that out. Oh, and it looks like Unity just loaded up. So we'll go back to that, but you guys should totally follow me on Instagram and check out my merch store. And well, let's get into it. But this project will be available down below. I'm gonna create an image, but I also think I might create a material. I, I think this can work if I just get a cookie. Beautiful. Cook. Let's see. Let's oh, so you have to right click, create. Where the heck is it? There's Text Mesh Pro. Uh, material. Let's. I don't. What the render texture? No. No, we don't want that. Wait, so what the hell does the site say? Wait a minute, don't you right click, create a, no, 2D object, sprite, and then, can this go in here? No. Uh, uh, um, uh, what's the point of creating a sprite if the only way to do it is to have a sprite to make it, what? Well, let's think of something else to make, like a cube clicker. So let's just delete all that, delete that. We don't need our scenes. Let's create a 3D cube. Oh, actually, we're in our game view, but let's just scale it up. We didn't need the z-axis, because if you look in the game view, it just pushes it forward, but whatever. Now, let's... No, wait, we don't want to... Don't. We want UI, and then button. And this button, we want to make a script. Let's make an empty object and call this click. And then on this, let's add a component. Make a new script called onClick script. Hit create and add. What the heck? That's a pretty nice button, but we do want to go under that and change the text from button to click. Oops. Actually, let's make that all caps. Go click. And then, overflow, and set this to like 50. Seems good to me. Open this up. Oh yeah, be sure to subscribe and hit the, oh, there we go. The like button and all that jazz down below. I don't even have a camera, so why am I pointing in the real world? But this is our onClick script, and we're just gonna get rid of all of these and make our own void onClick. Do that, and then do that, and then what do we want it to do? We need to make a public int, and then let's call this clicks. And let's just initialize it to 0, and then on click, we'll just write clicks plus, which will add 1, and then we do that. Perfect. That is all we need for the clicking. Oh, we actually do need our update method. Why is it private? It just should just be, oh, whoopsie. Okay, there we go. So if we head back into Unity, go to our button click add and take this click game object, hit no function, hit on click script, um, oh, we didn't save it. Oh my goodness. No function. Oh, there it did just load, and if we click this and we hit on click script, there is still nothing here. Void on click. Ugh. Why isn't this working? This worked. Wait, game object, transform, no. Oh, it has to be a public void in order to be seen by the button. If we click it back in here, we see it load for just a second. On click, there it is, on click. So every time you click this, it will do this. But here, we want to set the, I think we need a reference to our text. If we go back, we save the script, head back into Unity. Oh, I almost forgot to name it. Public game object called button text, I think. Not what I wanted to click on. Save the script. Both of those buttons practically do the same thing, except one is just save all, but if we hit play, you'll see there's the normal color. The highlighted color is no different, and then there's the pressed color and disabled color. But if I just take this and I do this, and make this slightly darker like that, the highlighted color becomes something more like that. So it's highlighted, and then disabled should just be pure black, although it never should be that. Just get rid of that, don't mind that. Cool. So if we enter play mode, why is the scale on 1 point? You can see it hovered, and when we click it, but we need to see the, if we go here, and now hit play, as we click it, you see it going up, meaning our script works. What we want to put here is we want to take our text and drop it there. Then we want to go back in here, and we want to go button text dot text dot how the do you set the text? Let's just scroll through this thing. What is the button text over here? Shouldn't it be just dot text? Let's look that up too. How to how to set button text, which is to a variable. We should have put. that is something using Unity. I almost forgot about this part. Unity engine UI. Beautiful. So instead of game object, we should set this to text. Public text, button text. So if we save that, will this give me more options? Font size, game object. Can we write yes, text equals, and then we're gonna do clicks dot to string, because text is a string and our clicks is a integer. If we close that off, what does this say now? It says plus 3 to string to not deglate type string. Did you intend to invoke the method? I want button text to equal clicks to string. Um, should I make it a public float? Oops, float. And save it. And what is this? Can I just set text to clicks, or is that wrong too? That to string. Mm, to string should just. Can we make text? Now it's confused because I don't want it to be text, so I want to go back to an. Okay, not helpful exactly. Let's just search for this now. Go back to all. Actually, I'm gonna go back to videos. Let's see. So if we go, why does life have to be so hard? Well, on void update, we want to set buttons. I want to honestly see what happens when we try to run this. It says cannot convert method to. Can I in? Let's just make it text and then just call this. No, wait. I realized what we did wrong. Okay, let's go back to where this is in public int. And right here, you want to go to string, and then you want to put in parentheses a 0. And that should be all we need. Beautiful. Now, if we go back into Unity, it should up there. It went away. The console reconfigured and cleared itself. I don't like seeing a script, but it's only one, so it's not worth making a folder. If you hit play, and I click it, there's no problems here. So it does this, but then why isn't on void updated doing that? So this is called by the button, and then this should just be making that equal to. Do I just need this? That's why it wasn't working. There. We did it. It is almost 8 o'clock. So I will see you guys tomorrow. But before I leave, I need to make this. Actually, we need to add something. It's void start. It doesn't. I'm too tired right now. So on start, clicks should be equal to 0. Boom. All done. Save that. Close that. I go File, Build Settings. Click Player Settings. Player Settings. There. Hit others. No, actually, I'm gonna start right here. Version. Yeah. I don't know. Whatever. Then right here, just define human because that's what my company through Unity is. Click this. Go right here. Scroll over. This is going to be cookie clicker. click, there we go, finally. And this is actually what the folder bundle for your thing will be. This is build 1, I guess you could say. So, and then I need to replace this with define human, and close that out. And I don't know if I can build this for Android, but I will build it for 64-bit Windows, I guess. And if you guys have that or have access to it, you can get it down below. I'm too tired. Like, I just built games, right click, new folder, cookie clicker. So I will upload this. It is 8 p.m. and I will see you tomorrow in